This is Jimmy with Chef Units, and today I have this Bakersfield 26 feet. I will be giving you a tutorial on how the electrical components work, the awning, appliances. First things first, we're gonna move to the breaker panel. Right here, you got your number 1 and number 3. Those are your mains. Number 5 is your water heater. Number 5B is your converter charger. Number 7A is your outlet. Number 7B is your extractor. Number 9A is your hood lights. Number 9B is your outlet. Number 3, and that is your oven. Number 2A is your outlet number 1. Number 4A is your outlet number 6. Number 4B is your outlet number 4. 6A is your water pump. 6B is your AC. Number 8A is outlet 2. Number 8B is your AC, your rear AC, okay? Up here, you got your 4 breakers. The first one is your outlet number 7 and your under counter. Number 2 is your cold prep table. Number 3 is your refrigerator. Number 4 is your exterior and interior lights. Below, you got your automatic transfer switch. Below, you got some contact magnetic purpose, as well as over here to the right. Up here, you got your power 50 transfer switch. Down here, you got your generator Cummins panel. You got your hours and you got your on and off. Okay, onto the front side of the trailer, you got your 50 amp outlet, you got your 50 amp adapter, as well as the trailer will come with a 25 feet 50 amp extension cord to connect instantly with your generator. Onto the next thing, over here to the right, you got your Cummins generator. This will be your generator access panel if you want to change the oil or give it maintenance. Up here, you got your fuel tank. Over here to the left, you got your switch, your generator switch, your on and off. As well as you will have this set of keys that will have the keys for all those locks, which will be 1 for the battery bank, number 2, generator fuel tank, number 3, generator access panel, number 4, generator switch on and off. Okay, so right here at the front, you got your electric jack, which you can turn it on, raise it on, lower, bring it down. Okay. An important tip, when you're about to start prepping your trailer, you have settled down, you want to make sure that your 4 stabilizers are set before you start working on your appliances or inside your trailer. Inside the trailer, you will have these tools for your spare tire. All you want to do is put them in a way where you just lock it in. Lock it in easy, and you can retract your tire as soon as possible. Or you can bring it back. Okay, on this side of the trailer, you got your propane tank water heater. What you want to do is turn this into the on position, as well as right here, if you want to purge the propane water heater, all you want to do is twist the knob and water should start coming out. Okay, up here, you got your water inlet. This is your key, twist and turn. This will be your connect adapter. So you instantly, all you want to do is pull it back and connect to your water hose. One is for your water hose, connected to your portable water tank, and the other one will be for your water spraying nozzle, so you can clean the floor when time comes. So take it off, just pull it back, and easily remove it. So onto our wastewater valves. You have the option to open the small nozzle or open the big valve. Twist and turn, as simple as that, and just turn on the valve, water should flow out. Okay, same thing with this one. Turn the nozzle, open the valve, same thing as this one, just turn the valve. Okay, onto the plumbing, you got your water heater, you got your water pump. You're gonna turn that, you're gonna turn the water pump, you're gonna turn the water heater, this should turn on. Once this turns on, you can adjust the temperature on how hot you want your water. As well as over here, you got your paper dispenser, soap dispenser, you got your wash hands area, you got your wash, your rinse, and your sanitize station. So first things first, this is your cold water. So for the water heater, you want to make sure that your gas valve is on. So on the vertical position, that means that it's on. The horizontal, it means that it's closed in order for you to get hot water. Okay, your second will be your water pump. You got your detergent bucket, you got your sanitizer bucket, you got your cold water, you got your hot water up there, you got your portable water tank, you got your respirator, for your water tank, as well as you have your water hose to start spraying on the floor, and this will be your storage area when it comes down to putting your water hose away. Okay, onto the appliances, you got your under counter freezer, you got your 48 cold prep table, you got your ice machine, you got your work tables, you got your utensil drawer to put in your items. You got your griddle, 36-inch, you got your 12-inch hot plate, you got your grill and oven range down here. You get your crossbar, just in case you get a flat tire. You got your bottle jack, just in case you need to lift up the trailer to change the spare tire. Over here, you got your double door refrigerator. To the left, you got your heater proofer. Okay, onto this under counter table. All you want to do, open this one, will be your number 1 key. Okay, so you got your battery bank station. You got your converter charger. That will allow you to charge your batteries through a generator or through a regular extension connected to your 50 amp adapter, connected to your 50 amp outlet. And on top, you got your power inverter. Okay, so on this side of the trailer, you have your 2 100-pound propane tanks, as well as it will come with each one of them will have their valve. When it's in the horizontal mode, it's shut down, same as the other one. When you open it, when you open the valve in the vertical position, that means that gas is flowing through. Okay, first things first, when you want to turn on the appliances, you want to make sure that the extractor is on, as well as the hood lights, so you're able to see what you're doing. First thing that we're going to start with, it will be your griddle. First thing you want to do is turn on the valve. Once you do that, you should start hearing a little hissing sound coming from the pilots, right? Down here, you will have this little square opening, and up here, you should be able to see your pilot. All you want to do is turn that on. Once that is on, and your heating element should turn on all the way through, and you want to do the same steps for your 1, 2, and 3. Second appliance will be your 12-inch hot plate. Turn on the valve, first thing that you want to do. Next thing you know, this is your pilot. You want to light that up. Okay, onto the grill. You want to turn your grill valve. It will be the same process for your oven, both in one. First thing you want to do is remove this top part of the grill. If you need more space, I recommend you take off 2, slowly but surely. Take this other device. And from there, you will have access to your pilot. And from there, just turn on the nozzle and your whole heating element should come on. Okay, onto the oven section. You want to lift this up, bring it down. So we're gonna hold the button for about a minute, the red button for about a minute, and this will be your pilot. You want to hold the button and keep the flame lit on just enough for it to stay steady when you remove your thumb. To have the pilot lit on, you want to turn on your extractor fan and set your temperature to 200, 250, 300, whichever temperature you need it to. Okay, this is your heater proof room. All you want to do is turn on your power, set your switch to heat or to proofing, as well as just adjust your temperature on which way you want it, and that should be set. Up here, you got your 10-point fire suppression system. Over here to the left, you got your handle. Back here, you got your first aid kit, as well as it goes all the way down to the hood vent, which allows to go onto the griddle, hot plate, and griddle. Over here, you got your ABC. Down here, you got your Type K extinguisher. Warning triangle, dot approved auxiliary triangles. This will go up here, as well as you got your 50 amp adapter. Okay, right here you got your exterior and interior lights. Over here to the right, you got your awning in and out.